he was saying he was a little boy, and his mom had taken him with her to a funeral, and say at the burial site, the girlfriend was hollering, "Oh Lord, take me! I want to go with you. I want to go with you." And the people was holding her back. And say his mama went up there and told him, "Say, let her go, let her arm go." And say when they got through, and they was leaving, a woman come up to her and say, "You know, you was wrong for doing that." She said, "No." She said, "I wasn't wrong." She said, "When y'all let her go, did she jump? Let's time off all that foolishness. Come on here, boy, let's go." I say, "Oh, I didn't really know his mama, but
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh no. Happy Tuesday. It's a terrific Tuesday. We are 6 days before Christmas 2023. So how is everybody doing? Y'all don't know what's going on in my hair. But anyway, I just wanted to stop by and just chat for just a second on my way to work. So our pastor was telling us Sunday what the title of his sermon for this week is going to be. He said, people out shopping, buying for everybody, but it's Jesus' birthday, and what are you going to give Jesus for his birthday? I was like, oh, Lord have mercy. Woo! I wonder if people even think about that. And they were saying, he was saying about people and talking about you don't have to go to church or whatever. Well, the Bible says don't forsake the assembly, right? So that means getting together with other believers. And I was listening to this pastor. I don't know if it's my pastor or this other pastor was saying that. And they said, yeah, you don't have to go to church to love the Lord, but you don't have to go to the concerts to love Beyonce, but you pay all that money to go see her and won't come to church and it's free. So I always think about that. And he was saying how all those people in the Superdome howling for Drew Brees when he played for the Saints. Drew Brees hadn't woke him up that morning, hadn't done anything for him, don't even know him. But God knows how many hairs you have on your head, but you won't get them come to visit him for free. Woo, it just makes you think. Y'all, I'm just telling y'all, I haven't always been like this. You know, I've done some things in my past that I'm ashamed of. I'm just going to keep it real. But having that relationship with Jesus and with God, oh my God, that's what peace is. I ain't going to even lie. I mean, and I think that the most intimate I've ever been with Christ is when I lost my mother, because I really think that if it wouldn't have been for Christ, I could have lost my mind. You know, and I wasn't my mom's caregiver, but I handled her business for her, you know, and I talked to her just about every day on the telephone. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, for 50, how old was my mom died? She died in 1953 or 50. I hadn't had my birthday. So I was maybe 53, but that's a different type of hurt. And until a person has experienced that, you just don't know. I'm telling y'all, you don't know. So if you blessed to still have your mom and dad, man, you got a lot to be thankful for. And you know, I see some kids, they have the mother, the father, they have the maternal and the paternal grandparents. I helped this lady do her wedding, beautiful lady. And at her wedding, she had her mom, her dad, her maternal and her paternal grandparents and great-grandparents. And they were all still together and still a beautiful family. Man, I don't know, when the older you get, the more you realize all that stuff is important. The things that we take for granted. Whew. Y'all, let me tell y'all something funny. So I was watching a friend of mine, mom passed, and the funeral was online, so I was able to watch it yesterday evening. And so y'all, he was saying he was a little boy, and his mom had taken him with her to a funeral, and say at the burial site, The girlfriend was hollering, "Oh Lord, take me! I want to go with you. I want to go with you." And the people was holding her back. And say his mama went up there and told him, "Say, let her go, let her arm go." And say when they got through, and they was leaving, a woman come up to her and say, "You know, you was wrong for doing that." She said, "No." She said, "I wasn't wrong." She said, "When y'all let her go, did she jump? This time off all that foolishness. Come on here, boy, let's go." I say, "Oh, I didn't really know his mama, but I like her." She ain't had time for no foolishness, and I like that. I like that for real. That was so funny. I say, "Ooh, she was a character." All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. I done made it to work. Y'all have a blessed day. Talk to y'all later. Oh, and Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas. Make someone smile. You know one of my favorite songs, "Give Love on Christmas Day" by Johnny Gill. Much love. Bye.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret